This is Purapal Golf. Welcome to Sing Pattaya Open, the 11th history of this magnificent golf tournament. This year we have more than 20 countries of professional golfers coming from around the world. You're gonna see the best of European, American, ASEAN, Asian, especially Thavorn Wirachan, Udon Duongdecha, Chavalit Palapon, and Pommisawat are coming here for the best Thai player versus European, Asian, ASEAN. So this is going to be a great match for you to come in. And this match starts from April 18 until 21. After Songkran, do not do anything. This is the match for you where you can learn the best golfer around the world playing right in front of you. And of course, free of charge. I'll see you there. Thank you.